So what I was trying to show you on another video when I was making some coffee, it wasn't like showing. So I'm gonna show you now. You see, I poured it on here. Take that and put it on top, the rim of your cup in order to like coat it. And you have ice, and you can like, what am I gonna do? Go ahead and do it like this. See, it's on there. Same thing. Take this cup and do the top like that as well. See? 2 things of instant coffee. Okay, I'm just gonna take my eggnog and put that in there. And a little bit more sugar. Have you seen that video I did when I did the review for the eggnog and coffee ice cream? I'm going to be using both of them. Let's sprinkle on here. What's up, y'all? Ice cream on first. Add it down a little bit now. 8 down. It's giving Jill Scott. Is it the way I love this baby? Because I do. No rate. Just know that it ain't. 8 down. You can't let this drink pass you by, no. Work it out. Ooh, ooh. That is at my max. I thought I did very well.